Raka, how are you?
Yes, I'm great. And you?
I'm also great. Can I have some question related to language?
Yes, please tell.
Okay, can you tell me what is language?
Language is the medium of communication.
Yeah. What language do you speak?
Yes, I speak Bangla, English, and also occasionally Arabic.
Yeah, we should also learn it. Uh, when did you learn? When did you learn language? Sorry,
Um,
English.
I started learning English when I was in first standard. Probably, I was in around 6 years old.
Okay. Do you think is there anything in difficulties in English? Difficulties in language?
Um, no, I don't think any language is difficult to learn. It depends a lot on whether a person is giving enough time for practice.
Do you practice other language?
Mm. Yes, I would like to learn other language. Um, I would like to learn Arabic because it is the language of the Holy Quran. It is the language of people of Paradise and especially the language of the Prophet.
Yeah, you're right.
Yes.
Um, do you think words are essential for a language?
Definitely, a new words is essential for learning a new language.
Yeah. Like pronunciation,
Yes.
it is the one of the most problem for us people that we cannot uh, learn it. Okay. Please tell me, what are the challenges in English?
Pronunciation, like a native speaker, is the major challenge of learning a new language. Besides, new word spelling could be the challenges.
Yeah. Can you tell me, Raka, why we should learn a language?
Yes, we learn this language. We learn this language to communicate with other people in the world. Besides, it is an international language.
Yeah. Thank you, Raka. Thanks for your nice delivery. I'm very pleased your answer.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.